In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make newsletters in Canva and why it's so useful. Newsletters are a fantastic way to share updates, promote content, and keep your audience engaged, and with Canva, it's quick and approachable even if you're not a designer. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, select Create a Design and choose Newsletter. This opens a canvas that's already sized for a newsletter, so you don't need to worry about dimensions. Next, browse the templates and pick one that matches your tone and purpose. Think about whether you're aiming for something formal, friendly, or bold. If you plan to include multiple sections or pages, look for templates with a clear structure and consistent layout across pages. You can always tweak colors, images, and fonts later, so focus on the overall layout first. Replace the placeholder text with your content, keep your headline concise and attention-grabbing, and use short paragraphs or subheadings to make the newsletter easy to scan. If you're sharing news or tips, consider leading with the most important information and keeping your language clear and conversational. Add images or graphics to bring the design to life. You can search for visuals under Elements or upload your own images and logos through Uploads. Drag and drop them into place and make sure images aren't stretched or pixelated. If you use icons or illustrations, pick a consistent style so everything feels cohesive. Customize colors and fonts to match your brand. Choose one main font for headings and a clean, readable font for body text. Keep color contrast strong so text is easy to read, and stick to a limited palette to avoid clutter. This helps your newsletter feel unified and on brand. If the template doesn't already include them, add clear sections like a header, a body area for your content, and a footer. The header should showcase your newsletter title or logo. The body holds your articles or updates, and the footer can include general contact information, social handles, or a brief sign-off. Before exporting, review everything carefully. Check spelling and grammar, align elements neatly, and ensure spacing and margins are consistent. Skim through as if you're a reader and confirm the key message stands out. When you're ready, click Share, then download and select PDF Print. This option preserves crisp text and images, making it ideal for emailing as an attachment or printing. And that's it. That's how you make newsletters in Canva. Newsletters help you engage your audience and share updates easily. Thanks for watching.